begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power test.
Those brakes, they work good.
Displaying power test results. SIM-track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the SIM-car after you disembark.
Welcome to NGU University, where we share our favorite experiences with you. Tune in weekly for honest reviews, theme park walkthroughs, and visits to some of our favorite locations. First, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification icon to ensure you're among the first to view each week's new upload. For more information about NGU University, you can visit us at nguuniversity.com.